Hello everyone, we are the Space Capsule team, and I am Chitara.
I am Harshit.
I am Karan, and we are from Excel Public School, Koorgalli, Mysuru.
The theme we have chosen is Explore Space, Gaming Technology. Our problem statement is to develop games that inform about space and planets. In the 50s, as humanity moves forward, it is necessary to not only explore space but to also find new places where we can settle. For this, staffed mission are inevitable.
As students of 21st century, we believe that learning the nuances of planning a staffed space flight is a requirement for any student who is interested in space. We came up with the idea of having our friends design a space capsule which could carry 3 astronauts to Mars. We would give our peers the shell of space capsule and have them fill the interior with requisites.
We constructed a capsule out of flower pot and a snack bowl. We cut it into three portions to make it easier to work with. The three portions can be connected together. The bottom of the space capsule, which has the heat shield, was made out of mortar tray, which construction workers used for carrying cement and other materials. We worked out a plan
Okay.
on what the astronauts will need. We researched the cost and volume of these items and came up with a system of stars and smileys. We made nets for all the objects using digital printouts. The requirements were living space, oxygen, food, water, carbon dioxide scrubs, medical facilities, scientific equipments, and exercise equipments. In addition to this, we also included options of entertainment. The capsule also required control panels and fuel cylinders. The task for our peers would be to minimize the cost, mass, and volume that is contained in the space capsule while maximizing astronaut satisfaction. We tried out a game ourselves and came up with those scores. Then we fit the nets into the space capsule. After we worked on it, we asked a group of our peers to also complete the worksheets and the space capsule and give us their feedbacks. The feedback was that the space capsule was too difficult to fit together. We worked on the rubber tubing to make it easier. The students felt that it was exciting to work on a physical model and that they learned a lot from
I, Chitara, worked on all aspects of the model,
I, Harshit, worked on the research.
and I, Karan, worked on making the nets and the model. We hope that our innovation can be carried throughout the globe as a classroom activity and will help a lot of people, especially as India prepares for the Gaganyaan. Thank you.